Hi everybody, it's Strawberry Me, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a K-pop journal spread for Twice's song, I Can't Stop Me. So let me just start by saying that I have been absolutely obsessed with this song since I first heard it. A couple of my friends are onces, and although I've occasionally listened to some of Twice's songs, I never was really a stan. But I would see this on the timeline, and I decided to. I think I saw like a Momo fan cam or something, so I decided to look up the performance. On one of the music shows, and I absolutely just became obsessed with it. I love the choreo, I love the song. This is probably going to be like one of my most streamed songs this year already. Yeah, I am so obsessed with this song, and I watched the music video and I love the aesthetics. Once again, I love the choreo, and I immediately knew that I had to make a K-pop journal spread for this song because I knew it was going to have such a big impact on me personally. Also, I have decided that Nayeon is my Twice bias, so we may have a new once on our hands. I don't know. So it was really hard to pick screenshots for this spread because like different parts of the video are so different, like color wise, and I really wanted the spread to be cohesive. So I decided to choose these scenes where they're wearing sort of like the school type uniforms, I guess, and they're like yellow plaid. They're giving me very Clueless vibes. But so I decided to go with that because that was one of my favorite looks that they did, and I really like the choreo shots on that scene. And then I did a couple of cutouts from the end scene when they're on the bus. I just did Jiho, Nayeon, and Momo. I think because those are probably my biases of the whole group if I had to choose, but I've definitely decided that Nayeon is my girl for sure. I already knew who Jiho was because it's my best friend's, or she is my best friend's bias, and I just really love Momo's look. I love her hair and just the face that she serves in this music video. I just really love it. And then I wanted to do those little cutouts of Jiho doing that one part of the choreo where they kind of like go to the floor and like flip their hair backwards because it's my favorite part, and I really wish that I could dance. Also, I realized that the song is actually called I Can't Stop Me, but for some reason in my head, I just always call it Can't Stop Me. So that like somehow like translated onto the paper, and I only wrote Can't Stop Me, but it's fine. I also wanted to do something a little bit different with my lettering. I feel like I say that like all the time, but for someone that doesn't really change their lettering that much, I feel like I say that a lot. But I wanted to do this drop shadow where it's just kind of like a white outline almost, if that makes sense. I just thought it would look cool, and it just seemed to go with the theme of the spread to me for some reason. I don't know. Sometimes I just go with something, and sometimes it works out and sometimes it doesn't. But this time it worked out. So here's a look at the final spread. I'm super happy with this spread. I think it turned out really cute. I like the colors. I like the screenshots that I chose because they really like show off parts of the song that I really love with the choreo and stuff. So yeah, I like this one a lot. If you also liked it and you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! P.S. Stream, I can't stop me.